Hey, what's up guys? This is the new Pixel Stand 2nd generation. This is essentially a wireless charger, really mostly designed for the new Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. However, it's compatible with pretty much any Qi compatible device. I'm gonna unbox this thing. I have a few phones here. We're gonna try those out. And it also has different charging modes as well, so I'm gonna test all of those out. It basically has optimized charging, max charging, and quiet charging. So opening this up, it's pretty much a stand as you would expect it to be, and USB-C plug right here. Place this here, essentially take your phone, put it here, and you're good to go. So let's see what else it comes with. Okay, instructions. Let's get started and stuff. And we have USB-C to USB-C, and this is probably a 30-watt charger. So starting with the Pixel 6 Pro, I put this on. It says, set up your Pixel Stand for easy access to your Google Assistant. You can always wake up gently to light-based alarms and get full screen experiences for music. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Quickly control your devices. Control your lights, thermostats, and other connected devices when charging. Okay. So here are the results of the smart home devices that you could select, and it will actually show up on the shortcuts menu, which I will show you later on. So when it's on the stand, you can access this easily. Then you could personalize your results. You can also show your Google Photos while it's on the display. You can also say do not disturb while it's on the display. And finally, you could get this cool alarm, which kind of lights up, kind of goes up with the sun. And I guess it's just a nicer alarm. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So there's optimized, max, and quiet. So optimized charging is based on your usage. Max charges as rapidly as possible. Fan may be louder at times. And then quiet is minimizes noise by limiting fan speed. So you could pretty much select which type of charging you want. I'm just going to leave it on optimize. Alright, so if you ever wanted to change the settings after initial setup, if you placed it here, well, it would give you a rough guess of how long it would take. So it says an hour and 20 minutes for a full charging wirelessly. But if you wanted to change it, you would basically go to your settings, you would go to connected devices, you would go to Pixel Stand Gen 2, and here it is. So all of these options, screen off, do not disturb, photo frame, if you want to, put your sunrise alarm, if you want to change the controls, and if you want to change the charging mode. So I just left it on optimized. And here's the interesting thing that I noticed is, again, it says an hour and 20 minutes for a full charge. The timing will get better as it charges more. Again, this is just an estimate. But if I were to actually unplug this and plug this in directly, again, this was a 30-watt charger. It says charging rapidly, and it gives me the same estimate, an hour and 20 minutes. Now typically USB-C can charge faster. However, maybe because this has some battery in it, or it's just a guess at this point in time, but it just goes to show you, even with that, it's actually quite a bit of a fast charger. So putting this back in, and let's move on to the other Qi compatible devices. But starting with the Samsung, so you place this on, recognizes it immediately, and it starts charging, and it's roughly the same, 61% fast wireless charging, and it will be done in an hour and 11 minutes. And taking the iPhone, and it starts charging as well. So everything gets recognized pretty quickly. So the other cool thing about this that wasn't so obvious when I was initially buying it, then I realized it later, is that it has this little indentation here, and that's actually for the Pixel Buds. So you can also charge that, and it makes sense because that is a Qi. It does support Qi wireless charging as well, but it's kind of cool that they put a little indentation there. Now, if you guys are wondering, hey, can that charge AirPods? Well, let's find out. Yes, it can. These are the AirPods Pros, and it charges at no issues. It can also charge it like this as well, if you guys are wondering. And really the only one that was a bit weird was the Sony. These are the WF-1000XM4. I always forget the model numbers for these earbuds. But if you place the Sonys this way, because the bottom piece is the charging portion, it will light up eventually and start charging. So the Sony is a bit slow. It feels like it's not going to work. Then it just decides that, oh, it is going to work, and then it just starts charging. So, okay, it looks like it didn't work that time around. I'm glad this is happening, because this one, at first I was like, oh, it doesn't charge, and then I started trying it all these different ways, and finally it started charging. Alright, so that, not sure what's going on there, but typically, okay, so that one it did start charging. So, I guess I could put it that way, but it was charging this like this as well. A bit earlier it was. There it is. So it wasn't perfect, but I guess this was the only one that it took a second for it to do. But I guess when I did put it flat like this and I put it close enough, it did start charging, which again, it did right here. So in a nutshell, this is pretty cool because again, it's Qi compatible with a lot of other devices. You know, you could use it with everything else, and if you have a Pixel, especially the new 6 or the 6 Pro, well, you can customize it with the alarms. It could do the whole waking up thing and stuff, which is kind of cool. One other cool thing to mention is with the Pixel, if you put this on the screen, if you tap anywhere on the screen, it gives you these shortcuts that you selected with the plugs if you have smart plugs. So if I wanted to turn on my scooter plug, I would just tap that, it would turn it on and turn it off. And if you wanted to charge differently, you can do that as well. So essentially I could say, okay, do a max charge just for this time around, and then next time I put it, it'll go back to optimize, or you know, charge quietly this time around. So it does give you a fair bit of options. So it's basically a very smart wireless charger that also kind of makes it like a cool alarm with like the sun coming up and everything. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.